Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get your tax PIN for e-filing. This personal identification number is crucial for securely submitting your tax returns online. It acts as your digital signature, ensuring all your electronic tax interactions are verified and protected. We will walk through the entire process, making it straightforward and easy to understand, so you can confidently manage your tax obligations. Before you begin, gather a few key items to ensure a smooth process. First, confirm you have an active e-filing profile and remember your login credentials. You will also need your personal identification number or tax reference number readily available. Finally, make sure you have access to the email address or mobile phone number registered on your e-filing account, as these are used for verification. Step inside, and both cars showcase premium luxury. The Audi A5 offers a sophisticated cabin with standard leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, and 3-zone climate control. Its infotainment system includes a large 14.5-inch touchscreen. The BMW 5 Series counters with its striking curved display, integrating a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen. The 5 Series generally provides more passenger room, while the A5 Sportback offers slightly more versatile cargo capacity with its hatchback design. Once you have successfully obtained your tax PIN, you will use it whenever prompted during your online tax submissions. Remember, this PIN is a critical security measure, so always keep it confidential and never share it with anyone. If you ever forget your PIN, do not worry. The e-filing system provides a straightforward process to reset or retrieve it, ensuring continuous access to your tax services.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.